We're live again.
And we're live. Retention in these bad boys, you just stick them on the vise. Yeah. Take the spring out, stick it on the vise, grab a wrench, bend those springs a bit. De-bend? Whatever you do, you kind of unwind them a little bit.
De-bend? Is de-bend an official term? So where are we starting?
We're taking the connector to Wolf Road Wood.
Little commentary there, Mr. Terry. This audio will pick it up. Tell me what you're feeling. There you go, a little screw. Three behind.
Two more. I'm backing it down at all the time.
Got my jersey, Jimbo.
That was fun. And fast.
Come on, you had plenty of time to get ready.
I know.
Jim, how about that traction? Whoa. My tires were gripping.
Oh, I love the smell of barbecue. Go ahead, Jimbo.
Damn you and your sexy bike! That kick ass? Yeah. Couldn't shake Fred, even in the downhill direction. Fuck that guy. I was right behind him.
Oh no, you can swear all you want. Just don't necessarily swear at me. Swear with me. I listen to the podcast now. Those guys are crude and rude and hilarious, man.
Yeah, Tom! Woo!
Good warm up.
He's like, I'm cooked.
Nah, he's doing
Try to get a
good.
little sweat
He's
ring
fine.
around your nipples. Is that gonna be okay? Oh, you're gonna last. Alright, boys. I shall control the pace, don't worry.
Remember, we're filming, so we want to light it up a little. Just a little, Muddy.
It's better, but it's not great yet. Oh, dude, feels good.
I'm surprised it's that wet.
Oh, we got quite a bit of rain here Friday
Oh,
night.
that's right. Friday night it rained.
We got a good rain Friday night.
Yep.
We really did.
Hey, I was up at midnight when it was raining. Like, oh crap. That's when I texted you guys.
Oh yeah.
Nice in the shade.
Not really.
It's a good pace.
Not really.
It's just
Get
shade.
15 in, no problem.
It's nicer.
Okay, there you go.
There you go.
I'll give you that one.
There you go.
Not much more though. Not much more. Woo!
Those are called the connector trails,
Yeah, they got
or 2 connectors. Got 1 more to go.
more. Yeah, 2.
2 more to go?
4 seconds.
No, 2 more.
I don't know. Did you guys see that last
You guys go ahead and take
that
the
last
lead.
road bike that came out of there? That came out just there?
Yeah, yeah.
That's
It was
a-
a cross, wasn't it?
Dude, it's a Van Dessel. I just reading about him this morning. It's a Van Dessel. It is a road bike, but it's slash gravel. Somebody will fit 2.1s.
Shut the
Yeah.
front door.
I know. Ain't that something? On a freaking road bike. Well, a gravel bike. 2.1s. They can fit 2.1s on there.
That's pretty sweet. Have you got boost or something, Jim?
I don't know. I did, like I said, I just started reading about it. Yeah, wait for Tommy.
Find a shady spot.
Park the truck one thing.
2.1s?
2.1. Dude, it's awesome. Disc brakes. It is cool.
Why don't you go fat? I don't see Fred going back anytime soon.
No.
Now that he knows, see you
Turning
you've never-
58 and getting my first chubby, you betcha.
But you know what you've never had? I had the first experience on 29ers with big rubber. That feeling of tubeless, low pressure. And it's like, once you have that feeling, anything else just...
Yeah.
Well, when you feel the way that rear wheel contorts
Dude,
when you
if-
put torque into it.
After you left, we sat around with Dennis shooting the shit, and he was, you know, this and that, and even Fred and I were like, Fred's like, not going to convince him today, but wait till Tuesday. and I'm thinking, you haven't tried them, Dennis. Once you do,
He doesn't need to be any faster though, but he could be a little slower and having more fun at this
Yeah.
age.
yeah. But he's still in that racing mindset.
I know.
And so, when you're in that,
Well, Bionic Bob, who I was riding with yesterday, he's done the Leadville 4 times.
Dennis did 11. This will be his 12th, he said,
He's
right?
never got a buckle, but still, 4 fucking finishes. Yeah.
We good?
That would
We
suck.
good, guys?
Yep.
Boys? You're climbing. It's all climbing.
No, it's
from
all
here.
climbing from here.
Yeah, no, go.
We'll see you guys.
I want to film. It's more fun filming something. If we're bombing a trail, I'll go first.
Are you filming?
Uh-huh.
Slippery.
Terry, know where we're going?